Hey snare drummers, welcome back. In today's video, we're doing solo number 26 from our Alfred book. This solo is in 4/4 time and it has a tempo of 112 beats per minute. We won't take it quite there today. I'm going to leave that up to you as you master the solo to bring it up to that speed. We'll be at 90 beats per minute. Let's get started and go over our introduction or the first line of the solo. We've got some roughs and drags in this solo, so make sure that you're playing them appropriately. Check back at the lesson that they appeared in, the roughs and drag lesson, earlier in the book if you need more practice with those elements. So let's do our first line. And 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2 E and the 3. Let's do that again. And 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, and 2 E and the 3. Take care not to hit your rim like I did. Next, we're going to do the next 5 lines. So lines 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So look down the page over those next 5 lines and look them over. Let's give them a play. 1 E and the 2 and line 2 go. 1 E and the 2 and 3 E and the 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and the 4. 1 E and the 2 and 3 E and the 4. 1 and 2 and 3. 4 E and a 1 E and a 2, 3 and 4. 1 E and a 2 and 3 is and is a 4. 1 E and a 2, 3 and 4. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 and 4. 1 E and a 2 and 3 E and a 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4. 1 E and a 2 and 3 E and a 4. 1 and 2 E and a 3. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4. 1 E and a 2 and 3 E and a 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 and 4. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 and 4. And 1 E and a 2 and 3 and 4. Stop. So a few tiny little mistakes in there. So let's go back and try it again. Make sure that you're following the sticking recommendations that they give you in certain places. So we're going to start again at line 2, and we're going to do 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, line 2, ready and go. 1 E and a 2 and 3 E and a 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4. 1 E and a 2 and 3 E and a 4. 1 and 2 and 3. 4 E and a 1 E and a 2, 3 and 4. 1 E and a 2 and 3 is a 4. 1 E and a 2, 3 and 4. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 and 4. 1 E and a 2 and 3 E and a 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4. 1 E and a 2 and 3 E and a 4. 1 and 2 E and a 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 E and a 2 and 3 E and a 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 E and a 4. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 and 4. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 and 4. And 1 E and a 2 and 3 and 4. Now, the next section is a repeated section that has a first and second ending. Let's play that line by itself that has the first and second ending. Take the repeat. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 E and a. Now the last 3 lines have a lot of accents. Take it slow and go through those accents. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 4. Okay? Here we go. 1, 2, to the end. Last 3 lines, go. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4. The 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4. 1E and a 2 and 3E and a 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4. 1E and a 2 and 3E and a 4. 1 and 2 and 3. 4E and a 1E and a 2, 3 and 4. 1E and a 2 and 3 is a 4. 1E and a 2, 3 and 4. 1E and a 2E and a 3 and a 4. So that third line from the bottom is probably where you'll want to spend a little bit of time going through the accents, looking carefully at them. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4, and so on. Really make sure that you put the time in on those accents because they add character and flavor to the solo. So we've put all the sections into place. Now it's your turn to connect them all from the top to the bottom. Once you've mastered it at a slow tempo, bring up the tempo and keep trying to get it to 112 beats per minute. So until I see you next time, keep drumming.